Mama B's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we're gonna make the best crispy oven baked chicken tenders. These tenders are juicy, full flavored and delicious. With these tenders guys, we don't even use flour in our breading. Really, you won't even miss it. These tenders are coated with a parmesan breadcrumb seasoned with garlic, turmeric, onion powder, smoked paprika, and Italian seasoning. So let's get right into it guys. You know Mama B doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off by preheating our oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna spray our baking sheet and set it aside. Into the bowl, I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken tenderloins. And I'm gonna add black pepper, chopped parsley, some salt, lemon juice, in goes 1 beaten egg and olive oil. Mix everything to combine. You can bake your tenders as soon as you finish mixing, but I would prefer you to let this marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. But if you are in a hurry, you can just let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna set this aside and move on to prepare our crumb mixture. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna add about 2.5 cups of breadcrumbs, turmeric, and onion powder. I will also add garlic powder, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, and parmesan cheese. Then I'm gonna mix all this to combine, and I'm gonna transfer into a shallow plate so that it's gonna be easy for me when I bread my chicken tenderloins. I'm gonna set this aside. Now we're gonna move on to make the dipping sauce. In my bowl, I have mayonnaise. I'm gonna add Dijon mustard. Okay. Honey for my honey. Hot sauce. It's gonna be spicy, guys. And rice vinegar. Now we're gonna mix all this together. Okay. Just like so, guys. Okay. We're gonna cover this sauce, pop it in the fridge until ready to use. And next, we're gonna dredge the egg-coated chicken in the breadcrumbs mixture. Then we're gonna press lightly like this, guys. Then we're gonna arrange them in the baking sheet. Lightly spray the chicken tenderloins with the butter non-stick cooking spray. Then pop this into the oven for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm gonna flip it over and put it back for 10 minutes. In the last 3 minutes, Broil for a golden crispy crumb. The tenders are baked, golden brown in color. Guys, I hope you'll try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our newly uploaded videos. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please, guys, please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.